Hi Jennifer. Alright, I'm going to take another try at this because I actually got it to work out right on paper. So let's see if we can get it to work out right on the tablet. I just made a simple mistake last time, I think. Alright, so let's go back here and let's clean this up just a wee bit first before we work with it, okay? If we write our derivative in a more simple form, I'll just work over here where it's a little easier to read. I think what we want is a negative 6 over n, or n to the 1, and then we're going to minus a negative, so that's going to make a plus 1 over 2n squared, okay? And we're evaluating that whole thing over 5, 1 to 5, okay? So if we do this properly and we put a 5 in first, then we're going to get negative 6 over 5 plus 1 over 50, because 5 squared is 25 times 2 here is 50. Now we're going to put the 1 in, so we'll minus negative 6 plus 1 half. Okay, so now we're going to get, using a common denominator in the first bracket of 50, we'll get negative 60 plus 1 over 50. And then in the second bracket, we're going to have 11 halves because 6 is 12 over 2. So it's going to be negative 11 over 2. So here we have minus 59 over 50. And then we're adding 11 over 2. So common denominator again of 50, I guess. So multiplying top and bottom by 25 here. And so 11 25s, the trick for multiplying by 11 is you take the other number and you write the 2 digits, and then in between you write the sum of them. It's kind of a neat trick. So it's 275 over 50. Now adding those is going to give us 216 over 50. And then dividing both sides, top and bottom, by 2 is 108 over 25. So that's how we get it. So it was just the simple calculation error. You had your antiderivative correct. It was just in working it out somehow with the, I don't know how the 32 came into it. But that's what happened. Okay, so I hope that helps.